All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing well. So I have this limit set right now. If you guys didn't already notice, just set it off the 5-minute fair value gap. Put it pretty much smack dab in the middle between, the beginning of the gap and this order block here. On the 5 and 15 minute, just looking, I guess, to target the intermediate. This is the lunchtime lows from yesterday. So this is the limit that I have set for now. I have the same bias basically that I had yesterday, which is wanting to see price draw towards all of these equal lows here on the higher time frame. So we took the previous daily high on ES and NQ. On NQ, we hit this 2 to 2.5 standard deviation range from, well, the manipulation I drew that off of was the low from yesterday. I'm sorry, this would have been Monday's, so far the low of the week. When we put in the low of the week on Monday, just drew up this manipulation. We hit 2 to 2.5 of that level. And then the manipulation yesterday, I drew that up and we hit the -1 standard deviation of that as well. So we got a couple standard deviation levels the price is selling off from. We sold off from previous day high. And now, as of this moment, we are absolutely running through a 4-hour bullish gap as well. So here you have a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Running through that. This candle closes in 5 minutes, so I assume that it's going to close below there. Keep in mind, this level that I'm looking to target for the sell-off here, like I said, this is lunch low, so this is just an internal range liquidity low, but technically so is this low here. If we're looking to target the potentially all these previous weekly lows here stacked up, then the previous day low down here is on the way to here. So we'll see if we get this pullback. I'm going to be pretty sad if this thing just, like I said, continues in a straight line all the way down to there. Like, boy, that would suck. All right, so we just swept that low here. Obviously, as far as like ES is concerned, it's much farther away. So yes, SMT with this low, aware of it, very aware of it, but I'll be honest with you guys, I just kind of don't care. This is the draw. It's the draw I've been waiting on, man. So I'm gonna opt, whether ignorantly or not, I'm gonna choose to ignore this bullish SMT right now. We just need some more structure to form now, because this is like I said, if this is just one straight line, guys, we're fucked. We are so fucked. We're not gonna be able to catch this if this is just a straight move, just nothing but black candles down. We need structure. We need a pullback. I mean, I'd be willing to bet there's a lot of ICT traders that are long right now. Which is fine. It's not a bad setup at all, right? You got SMT at the lows. You've got PD arrays you can enter off of, inverse gaps, bullish gap here. Obviously, just formed on the 1 minute. So, it's not bad. It's just, I think it's a little too zoomed in. I didn't really get what I wanted to see, though. Ideally, I wanted to see manipulation with this high. Let me see if there was SMT with ES. Where's that high? Right here. Okay, so there was SMT there. It's tough. Guys, I'm on the comment anyway. I'm going to get short right now, okay? I'm going to go stop up here. Just because we got this internal manipulation. SMT at this high, 15-minute fair value gap on ES, obviously. Kind of looking like this isn't going to come take this high out. Or I wouldn't expect it to now. So deleted the original limit, went short, seeing the reaction off this BPR with one contract only. I'm probably just going to go stop right above these BPR candles right here. Tighten it up a little bit. Gives me about a 25-point stop loss. Try to run it down to the previous daily low. Because if this does end up being soup, then I just don't want to get left behind again like we did yesterday even if we would have wanted to get long. Soup was the only opportunity offered. All right, guys. Officially stopped out. That's crazy, bro. I was literally fucking 4-0 on this combine. Now I'm 0-3 my last 3 trades. Hashtag 50% win rate. Let's go. Numbers don't lie. I'm a little bit leery of this 15-minute gap right above. If I'm being totally honest. That's 50 points. I mean, I'll just keep doing it with light risk. So I put another limit on here in this inverse gap. It's now BPR. I'm probably going to move it down to this first fair value gap here. Why no two cons? I already lost today. I'm on a 3-trade losing streak. I'm not going to... Well, one as well. The reason I started doing one cons was we were in all that news, obviously, beginning of the week. But also I'm above my buffer now. So, like, I'm not trying to fucking get above my buffer and then just blow my account to smithereens because I lose 3 trades in a row. And maybe 4 in a row here. We'll see. I think I'll be exactly 50% on my account win rate wise if this trade loses as well, because I won 4 total and I've lost 3 now as well. So I'll be exactly 4-4 on this bitch if this trade gets stopped out. But yeah, if you did do 2 cons, feel free to partial here. I guess the other, if I'm being honest as well, Amiran, like I feel a little bit timid that we could still come up to this higher in efficiency, which kind of freaks me out a little bit. So I guess that's the other honest answer as to why I'm only doing 1. I could always add to this as price sells off. So if it loses, I'm going to go get another cup of coffee and wait for the macro. Hold for suspense. All right, officially stopped out. Lost 300 on that one. So still in good shape. Still up 4,200 on the account. But I'm on a 4-trade losing streak on the account after being on a 4-trade winning streak on the account. 4-4, baby. Let's go. So anyway, all right, well, I'm going to get another cup of coffee. We'll be back here. We got macro starting here in 7 minutes. Like, bro, if this thing just sells off, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm going to put as much on the bench press as I can. I'm going to unrack it, and I'm just going to put it above my neck and drop it. Funny enough, I think you guys do know what I'm saying. Might move my entry down to the 5-minute order block here. Notice we're going to close below it. Pull back, for the love of God. Just to display my confidence in the shorts. Double it up, baby. 2 contracts, risking over 0.5% on this trade. Officially now. Call me a crazy kitten. I'm just fucking so, as you guys can tell since yesterday, all I've been doing is talking about shorting. And I just swear to God, I'm not going to fucking miss it. When that move happens, I will catch it. Because if I don't, there's going to be hell to pay. Somebody's kids won't be making a home to their mother. Oh, fuck. Come on. You've been chopping back and forth, wicking around, dicking us down. It's time that you do one of those just to get us in. But yeah, honestly, still kind of think plan would be to partial one below this low and try to hold a runner for a previous day low. Make back the losses just with the partial and then let the other one run. It's go time, baby. All right. We're either going to be happy campers or really, really, really angry. And you all are probably going to cancel the Discord if this loses. I don't blame you. Yeah, let's just say we're really going to want to see this inversed. Come on, inverse gap. We believe in you. Encouragement, yes. All right, come on, bearish gap. We believe in you. Humana. Well, so much for that inverse gap, folks? It could be worse. You could be a liberal. You know what I'm saying? Think about that. Like, you could be voting for Biden this year, unless this turns around in a hurry after swiping these little internal highs here. But yeah, the clean move was basically opening range so far today. Just opening bell, straight move down, literally. Go figure, bro. Like, Silver Bullet has just been just the ugliest hour. Might as well call it, I don't even know, Scarface hour this year because it's just been trash. I literally think 90% of days this is what we get. Barcode hour, zigzag hour, Silver Bullet. Now I know why they, now I get it because you want to put a bullet in your head. Like, obviously I hope this trade plays out, but this trade still sucks. I hate trades that do this. I don't care who you are. No one likes this. I don't care how big your balls are. Hey guys, we're back in profit. You guys remember that time we were in profit? That was fun. Did just put a little SMT there, but it's tiny. 1 minute. Getting late too, out of the kill zone. I'm just gonna let it do what it do at this point, per usual. But yeah, this 1 minute chart is just absolutely ass. Even if this trade plays out, it's just so terrible. I mean, just look at all these PD arrays. It's just like hold, inverse, disrespect, reclaim, new PD array, inverse, internal SMTs, etc., etc. It's like the third internal SMT we've seen. I just want to hang myself. Fuck yeah, bro. Let me know how to tie a noose. I don't know how to tie one. Should I lay by the bay? I just may. What do you say? Listen, sometimes as traders, I feel like you just have to cope with humor. Otherwise, you might actually kill yourself. Oh, we're gonna get back in profit for the third time, guys. 3 times the charm. Come on. You got these equal lows here. Come on, just go run them. You got equal lows down here. Just go run them. You know, it hasn't really done us well ever, but fuck it. First time for everything. We did put a swing high in on the 5-minute chart, which is something to feel decent about. Right here. 3 candle swing high. CISD incoming maybe in the next minute. Here on the 5-minute chart. Look at these equal lows, bro. We're just stacking them up. Stacking them up. Come on, dude. Run them. Run them. Run them lows. Run them hoes. Obviously, guys, partialing is totally up to you at this point. Well, I'd say beyond one of these lows being taken, and partialing is up to you. All right? I don't want to hear it. Don't want to get mad at me. What I'm going to try to do right now is I'm going to try to partial below this last low. Okay? Because I want to be able to, I want that partial to make me back what I lost. Okay? And then I'm going to leave one run. I'm just going to let it go. And either we're going to have a real nice day today or I'll just make back my losses. All right, so I took one off. I think I made back what I lost on the day. And I do want to leave this thing run, guys. TP1 hit though. All right, I can post the GIF. Yeah, I think with that close, I think I started the day like 155.40 or something, 0.40. So I'll be a little green on the day after all said and done. All right, guys, stop the rest of the way out at break even or slightly in profit. Green 127 bucks on the day. But enjoy your guys' Wednesday. If you guys need anything, reach out. I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord if I'm going to take anything in PM. All right? Peace out, guys.